You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, tires, rear all-season, front-wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.